still fly, just bag the white guy. Richie like guy, and I still eat Thai. Want the Nicki cheat code? Come on, let's try. Let's be real, well you bitch look like me. When the beat and demand get booked like me. When I run up in the lab and cook like me.
Welcome back. Today I'm gonna be doing a glitter colorful eye look for you guys, and I'm gonna be using these palettes from Royal Beauty. They are gorgeous. Listen, I couldn't wait to actually do a look with these. I didn't even plan it or anything, but the colors are so inspiring. It's beautiful. But anyways, we're gonna start off with basing the eyelids, and I'm taking my It's You concealer from Lena Cosmetics to base the eyelids, and I'm just patting that on gently, making sure everything is even. And then I'm gonna take this rusty like reddish color, and this is what we're going to use for our transition color today. I'm just going to pop this in the crease. I'm using this tapered blending brush from Stilazzi. I'm using that brush to blend out everything, you know, take my time, just go back and forth, windshield wiper motions to just make sure that everything is nicely blended and diffused. Yeah, and I keep on building up this color to my liking. You know, you can build it up as much as you like. And what I really love about this shadow is that it was not just this, but all the shadows that I used, they were so pigmented. It's just very vibrant. It's really, really beautiful. I was very impressed. After I applied that color, I basically just went in with the same Sister concealer, and this is what I'm using to cut the crease. This is going to act as a second base for the colors we're gonna apply, and I'm just making sure that everything is even. I go on the outer portion of that and kind of make sure that the edges are well diffused and not too harsh. Now I'm going back in with the Royal Beauty palette, and I'm taking that brown. It is matte, and this is what I'm gonna also use to help diffuse the end a little bit more. I wanted it to be a little darker, so I went in with some of the black from that same palette, and then I went over top to just kind of soften things up back with some of the rusty red that we used in the crease earlier. And I use a larger brush, blending brush, to make sure that everything is well diffused. Now I'm going in with this glitter pink, and these are actually glitter eyeshadows. So I was very pleased when I got these palettes, because I've never had any palettes where, you know, the eyeshadows are glitter. So this was very convenient. And I'm pretty much just patting this onto the base, and then I'm following up with that orange glitter, and I'm pretty much just combining different glitters here, guys, and doing something. As I said, I didn't plan it, just threw something on, and I really liked how it came together. It's very, very pretty, very pretty. And then the last glitter shade I'm gonna take is that red, or glitter pigment rather. And it's amazing. If you're a glitter lover, if you love creating glitter looks, I believe these are the perfect palettes for you. Like, they're beautiful. Now for my liner, I'm going to use my Stilazzi Gel Liner in Jet. This is, of course, the black one. And I'm taking my time and just creating that liner. If you guys need a detailed wing liner tutorial, one will be linked in the description box. The angle brush I'm using is also from Stilazzi. Yeah, so for the lower portion of the eye, that's the lower lash line, I'm gonna just smudge that red we used in the crease earlier on from the Royal Beauty palette again, and then I line my lower waterline with Jet and just make things a little bit more intense and sharp. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the eyes, guys. As you know, I did not apply any lashes because I got my fusion lashes done by Lashed by Elsie here in Jamaica. I'll put her information in the description box. If you're in Kingston and you're interested in getting fusion lashes, you can go ahead and check her out. I went ahead and, as you can see, I did my face makeup off camera, and I sprayed and set it further with my damp beauty sponge. I'm also glowing up my face with my Illuminator, and yeah. Yeah, then I also applied some mascara to my lower lashes. And for lips, I'm going in with Vendetta from the Umbrella Club. Yes, this is their liquid lipstick in Vendetta. Is it? Every time I hear that, it just reminds me of alkaline. Because I'm always saying that. But yeah, I pretty much just use this on the outer portions of the lips, kind of to outline it, and then I use that brush to blend it out because I wanted to do a ombre lip today. I know it's summer, but you know, this is how I was feeling, man. Then I went in with this liquid lipstick from Gaelle Cosmetics in Stooch. You don't know, so them not have no chill with them name already. See, like they're always so hilarious. But yeah, I thought this was a perfect combination, but it was a little bit too dark, so I lightened it up with Stephan from this is the Lena liquid lipstick. Yes, this is what we have. Yes, very, very gorgeous, right? I know, I love this look, guys. Love, love, love. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and give it a thumb up. As usual, I put all the, you know, products I use in the description box. This wig I am wearing, oh, I used this in my previous video. I actually demonstrated how to tint your lace so that it matches your skin perfectly. You see how real that look? Yes. This is a Brazilian kinky curly wig from rpghair.com, and I'll put the link to it in the description box. You can go ahead and order it from my direct page, which will also be linked in the description box. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.